Hello friends. So now let's start our exercise number 9.2 and here no theory. Barabar? For the 9.2. Directly listen some notes, otherwise some points. Heading is 9.2. Exercise number 9.2. Your heading for the 1 to 10 is verify that the given function is a solution of the corresponding differential equation or not. बराबर? Like this is your, अगर आपको दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिख रहा है नहीं पता है मुझे, but this is your 9.2 exercise. बराबर? चलो now ready. हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो जो आपको स्क्रीन पर दिखाई दे रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ पर एक 1 लिखा है कि दिस इज योर 1, y इक्वल टू e टू x प्लस 1, बराबर. एंड सामने यहाँ पर आंसर है कि y डबल डैश माइनस y डैश इक्वल टू 0. इट मीन्स स्टार्टिंग विद दिस 1 एंड प्रूव दिस आंसर y डबल डैश माइनस y डैश इक्वल टू 0. ओके, चलो तो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन से हम क्या लिखेंगे? ओनली क्वेश्चन, बाजू में जो आंसर है वो हमें प्रूव करना है. ओके, चलो तो दिस इज अवर क्वेश्चन एंड दिस इज अवर आंसर. ओके, चलो तो लेट्स स्टार्ट अवर नंबर 1. y equal to e raised to x plus 1 and our answer is y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. Hello friends, so y equal to e raised to x plus 1. Okay, how to convert y to y dash and y double dash? By taking derivation. Okay, chalo method is given equation is a equation number 1, then differentiate with respect to x both the sides. बराबर, differentiate with respect to x both the sides. करो डेरिवेशन both the side with respect to x. तो डेरिवेशन of y with respect to x is dy by dx. e raised to x is e raised to x and 1 is 0. Okay, so this is our 2. And we know that this is not our answer. हमें कहां तक जाना है? y double dash. तो again taking the derivation. Again differentiate with respect to x both the sides. So dy by dx is d square y by dx square and e raised to x is e raised to x. Okay, so our answer is y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. Now how to get this answer? Y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. Y double dash means d square y by dx square, and then we need only y dash, but there is a e raised to x in our last step. Okay, according to answer, double time derivation up to y double dash term is ready, but answer is not ready. So meaning is जो हमने यहाँ पर नंबर दिया है, to get the answer we can use number 1 and number 2 in our last step. So if we use in this step equation number 2, then answer is ready. E raised to x equal to dy by dx we can put in our this step. Okay, so d square y by dx square equal to e raised to x and e raised to x equal to dy by dx. So d square y by dx square means y double dash and dy by dx means y dash. So answer y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. Okay, and right here from equation number 2. So this is our answer. Next number 2. Okay, given term is our equation 1 and आपके पास आंसर होना चाहिए कि भाई आपको आंसर क्या लाना है. ओके, तो अवर आंसर इज ओनली अप टू y डैश, 1 टाइम डेरिवेशन करना है. ठीक है, चलो तो डिफरेंशिएट with respect to x both the sides. Therefore, y is dy by dx. X square is 2x plus 2 and c is 0. Okay. So dy by dx means y dash equal to 2x plus 2 and answer is y dash minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0. The answer is ready. Y dash minus 2x minus 2 and equal to 0. Okay. This is our answer. Are you ready? So next one, हमें y dash तक ही जाना है, only y dash. तो differentiate both the side with respect to x. With respect to x. Therefore, y is dy by dx and cos is minus sin and c is 0. Y dash equal to minus sin x, taking other side. So y dash plus sin x equal to 0. Are you ready? So 1, 2 and 3 sums over of our 9.2 exercise, and this is your method. Okay. Hello friends. Next 4, 5 and 6. Okay. This is our number 4. Y equal to under root 1 plus x square. There is a y equal to under root 1 plus x square. Okay. रूट डेरिवेशन डायरेक्ट पॉसिबल, बट कभी भी रूट है तो स्क्वायर कर लो आप, बराबर. सो y स्क्वायर इक्वल टू only 1 plus x square. Now differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So y square is 2y dy by dx. 1 is 0 and x square is 2x and 2 cancel. Okay, we need as a answer y dash equal to xy upon 1 plus x square. Okay, xy upon 1 plus x square. चलो, y dash equal to xy upon 1 plus x square. It means subject the y dash first. So y dash equal to x upon y or not, taking y other side, y down side, and this is y dash. So y dash equal to x upon y, but this is not our answer, बराबर. तो y dash ready, x upon y, x ready, we need here y. तो if we multiply and divide by y, तो upside y ready and downside क्या हो जाएगा y square, and y square equal to we can put 1 plus x square, equation number 1, and answer is ready. Okay, तो multiply and divide by y, तो xy upon y square. Now therefore y dash equal to xy, and according to equation number 1, y square equal to 1 plus x square. Ready? So this is your number 4. Next, number 5. Y equal to ax, and this is our answer. So taking the derivation, differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So y is dy by dx and ax is a. With the y dash, we need x. This is y dash equal to answer is a. So with the y dash we need x. So if we multiplying both the side by x, so here x y dash ready. यहाँ पर क्या हो जाएगा ax, and ax equal to we can write y. Done. So multiplying both the side by x. So according to equation number 1, ax equal to y. And this is our answer. Done. So next number 6. Y equal to x into sin x, and this is our answer. X y dash equal to y plus x under root x square minus y square. ओके, चलो तो यहां पर एक काम क्या करते हैं हम, डेरिवेशन तो स्टार्ट करें, बराबर. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Therefore, our derivation of y is dy by dx, and this side product rule or not, so x as it is, derivation of sine is cos, plus sine as it is, and derivation of x is 1, and our derivation is up to only y dash. Okay, so y dash equal to x cos x and plus sin x. Now check the answer. In our answer, no functions, कहीं पर भी function नहीं है एक तो, बराबर, no function in our answer. तो ए वन थिंग फिक्स की वी नीड विद दी y dash x, एंड यहां पर ओनली y dash है. एक काम तो करें, बोथ दी साइड मल्टीप्लाई बाय x. तो x y dash इक्वल टू x स्क्वायर cos x एंड प्लस x sin x. तो x y dash रेडी, x sin x इक्वल टू वी कैन पुट y. तो x y dash and y ready, x y dash and y ready. Now we need x and under root x square minus y square. तो यहां पर क्या है, x square into cos ने, तो एक काम करते हैं यहां पर हम, x square means x into x, x square means x into x. Now here cos x, बराबर, cos x. तो x into x and then cos x. तो cos x equal to, can we write under root 1 minus sin square? Otherwise, cos x equal to, can we write under root cos square? Cos x to under root cos square, and under root cos square to under root and cos square equal to putting 1 minus sin square, and plus x sin x equal to putting y. Equation number 1. Now x y dash x and under root this x as it is, and taking this x in the root, तो क्या हो जाएगा, x square minus x square sin square x, and plus y. And here also putting the equation number 1, x sin x equal to y, तो x square sin square equal to y square. और तो x y dash x under root x square minus y square, and plus y. And here also equation number 1. This is y. So final answer is ready. So x y dash equal to y plus x under root x square minus y square, and this is our answer. Ready? Up to 6 over. Next number 7. xy equal to log y plus c, and this is your answer. Y dash, one time derivation. Okay, चलो तो differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Therefore xy, तो definitely xy means product rule, तो x as it is, y is dy by dx plus y as it is, and x is 1. Log y is 1 by y dy by dx, and c is 0. subject the y dash 2 time, y dash means dy by dx 2 time. तो क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट कंबाइन करो, x into dy by dx taking other side and this y as it is. तो y equal to 1 by y dy by dx minus x dy by dx. So y equal to dy by dx common. So bracket 1 by y minus x. Okay. Or here y LCM. So y equal to dy by dx means y dash. Y LCM. So 1 minus xy upon y. Okay. So y dash and taking this term other side, so y into y square upon 1 minus xy and equal to y dash means answer y dash equal to y square upon 1 minus xy. Are ready? Next, number 8. Y minus cos y equal to x, then prove this answer y sin y plus cos y plus x whole bracket into y dash and equal to y. Alright, the first one taking the derivation. Okay. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Only y is dy by dx minus cos y. So derivation of cos is a minus sign, so minus minus plus sin y into dy by dx and equal to x is 1, y is dy by dx, derivation of cos is a minus sign, so minus minus plus sin y and y is a dy by dx and equal to 1. This is a chain rule, definitely आपको पता होगा, बराबर. Okay, चलो we need this answer y into sin y plus cos y plus x whole bracket into y dash and equal to y. Okay, तो dy by dx एक तो फिक्स है कि y dash कंपलसरी कॉमन लेना है, तो टेकिंग द dy by dx कॉमन, dy by dx कॉमन, देन ब्रैकेट 1 plus sin y and equal to 1. dy by dx common, so 1 plus sin y and equal to 1. Okay, and we know that dy by dx means y dash bracket 1 plus sin y and equal to 1. Hello. So other side y and we have other side 1, so multiplying both the side by y, so y dash and y multiply with both y plus y sin y and equal to y. The other side y ready, outside y dash ready, and this bracket y sin y, so y sin y also ready, and other term is y, but we need cos y plus x. Okay, तो यहाँ पर y की वैल्यू पुट अप कर दो, y इक्वल टू क्या होगा, x plus cos y, तो रेडी x plus cos y. Okay, तो y dash and from equation number 1 putting the value of y which is x plus cos y, so this y equal to x plus cos y and plus y sin y and equal to y from 1. Okay, so answer bracket y sin y plus cos y plus x, y sin y plus cos y plus x into y dash and equal to y. Alright, so this is your number 8. Okay, so now 9. X plus y equal to tan inverse y and prove this answer y square y dash plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. Alright, so first work तो क्या है हमारा, taking the differentiation with respect to x both the sides. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So x is 1, y is dy by dx. What about tan inverse y? 1 upon 1 plus y square and y, so dy by dx. Okay, चलो नाउ वी नीड तो y डैश वन टाइम, तो क्या करेंगे, कंबाइन करेंगे, dy by dx टर्म कंबाइन, अदरवाइज टेकिंग ऑल टर्म अदर साइड, 1 upon 1 plus y square into dy by dx, 1 upon 1 plus y square into dy by dx minus dy by dx minus 1 and equal to 0. Okay, now first one dy by dx कॉमन, बराबर, अदरवाइज एक काम करते हैं, नहीं कॉमन तो लेना ही पड़ेगा, चलो dy by dx डेफिनेटली कॉमन, तो ब्रैकेट क्या होगा आपका, 1 upon 1 plus y square minus 1 outside minus 1 and equal to 0. Now 1 plus y square LCM dy by dx, or 1 plus y square LCM multiplying here and also multiplying here, so 1 minus 1 minus y square minus, and here 1 plus y square also multiply and equal to 0. Whole LCM 1 plus y square, other side multiply with the 0. 1 plus y square LCM, so multiplying here and also multiplying here. Okay, so in the bracket 1 cancel. dy by dx means y dash, and here minus y square left. Okay, now minus multiply, so minus 1 minus y square and equal to 0. So this is y square into y dash but minus y square minus 1 equal to 0 and minus sign common. Okay, so final answer y square into y dash plus y square plus 1 equal to 0. Are you done? So this is your number 9, up to 9 over. Okay. Hello friends. So next taking the number 10. Y equal to under root x square minus x square, and answer is x plus y into dy by dx and equal to 0. So question is y equal to under root a square minus x square. We know that the first term squaring both the sides. So y square equal to a square minus x square. So next one, differentiate both the sides with respect to x, बराबर, differentiate both the sides with respect to x, so y square is 2y dy by dx, a square is 0 and minus 2x, therefore 2y dy by dx equal to minus 2x, 2 cancel, y dy by dx is a y dash and minus x, but answer is in dy by dx form, so y into dy by dx equal to minus x, taking x other side and answer is ready. Therefore x plus y into dy by dx and equal to 0. Done. After completing 1 to 10, then in our 9.2 exercise there are two more sums, number 11 and number 12. Perfectly आप mark करके रखो, both are MCQ and at this time this both the MCQs are not possible. मैं not possible इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये टॉपिक है वो 9.3 में है, बराबर. जनरली ये जो दो एमसीक्यू 9.3 में होना चाहिए, अदरवाइज एक्सरसाइज नंबर 9 में होना चाहिए, बराबर. चलो, तो अगर जनरली याद तो आ जाएगा, पर अगर याद नहीं है तो स्कूल पर करेंगे, अदरवाइज कोई भी आप मुझे पूछ लेना, ठीक है. ओके, आफ्टर 9.3 देन वी कैन सॉल्व. एट दिस टाइम नंबर 11 एंड नंबर 12 टू एमसीक्यूज आर वी कैन नॉट सॉल्व, बराबर. ओके, चलो, तो नेक्स्ट टेकिंग द 9.2 related two examples, example number 2 and example number 3. Okay, चलो, तो example number 2, y equal to e raised to minus 3x, and this is the answer, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 6y and equal to 0. Okay, चलो, तो this is our equation number 1. our derivation is up to 2 times. So differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Therefore, y is dy by dx. E raised to minus 3x is e raised to minus 3x into minus 3. So dy by dx minus 3 into e raised to minus 3x. Again, differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So d square y by dx square equal to minus 3 into e raised to minus 3 is e raised to minus 3x and into minus 3. So d square y by dx square equal to minus minus plus 3 into 3 9 into e raised to minus 3x. So our answer is d square y by dx square is ready. We need dy by dx and minus 6y. बराबर. चलो तो हम क्या करते हैं, परफेक्ट देखना है यार. d square y by dx square what is dy by dx? Minus 3 e raised to minus 3x. This is 9 times e raised to minus 3x. So 9 times equal to, can we write 3 times e raised to minus 3x plus 6 times e raised to minus 3x. 3 times plus 6 times 9 times. Now 3 times e raised to minus 3x equal to, can we put minus dy by dx? Okay. d square y by dx square equal to 3 times e raised to minus 3x. So take minus other side, so we can put minus dy by dx plus 6 into e raised to minus 3x. Only e raised to minus 3x equal to, we can put y. So answer is 6y. Now here both from equation number 1 and equation number 2. Ready? Now taking other side. d square y by dx square plus dy by dx minus 6y and equal to 0. And answer is ready. Okay? Chalo, this one is a simple sum. Now example 3 and mark. This one is a IMP. Y equal to a cos x plus b sin x, and we need d square y by dx square plus y equal to 0. Okay. Chalo, so definitely double time derivation. Okay. So first one mark, this is equation number 1, and then differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So y is dy by dx, a as it is, and derivation of cos is minus sin x, and plus b, derivation of sin is cos. So again derivation. Differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Okay. So dy by dx is d square y by dx square equal to minus a as it is, sin is cos, plus b as it is and cos is minus sign. So 2 time derivation over, but answer is not ready. So check करो. If we take here minus common, then bracket a cos plus b sin, and a cos plus b sin is a y. So minus common and y, and take other side, so plus y and equal to 0. Done. Alright, the first one minus sign common. So d square y by dx square equal to minus common, then bracket a cos x plus b sin x. So d square y by dx square equal to minus y, and from equation number 1. Now taking y other side, so answer is d square y by dx square plus y and equal to 0. बराबर. दोनों इक्वेशन का यूज आपको कंपलसरी नहीं करना है, आपकी अगर रिक्वायरमेंट है तो यूज करो. आपको डायरेक्ट भी आंसर मिल सकता है, कोई भी इक्वेशन का यूज ना हो फिर भी आंसर पॉसिबल है ना. दोनों इक्वेशन का भी यूज हो सकता है, एक ही इक्वेशन का भी यूज हो सकता है. बराबर. ओके, चलो तो 9.1 over, 9.2 over, example number 1, 2, 3 over, and in our 9.2, two MCQs left, number 11 and number 12. So we will solve these two MCQs after completing 9.3. Okay, चलो तो very easy part done. तो in our next lecture we will start our main method. Main method 9.3 से start हो रही है. अभी तक तुमने चैप्टर में कुछ भी नहीं किया है. फर्स्ट में क्या था, ऑर्डर एंड डिग्री, एंड सेकंड में क्या है, जस्ट टेक द डेरिवेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू आंसर. अगर डेरिवेशन में डबल टाइम है तो डबल टाइम डेरिवेशन, सिंगल टाइम तो सिंगल टाइम डेरिवेशन. वी नीड द आंसर. लास्ट में आपको अरेंज करना है. ओके, चलो तो हियर our lecture over, and then we will meet in our next lecture with the 9.3. Okay.